People tend to believe strongly that their own ideas on the subject are correct and other ideas are wrong or somehow inferior. People's stereotype about gender might become a great barrier in understanding male-female relationship. Stereotype about American men and women. People stereotype others based on what they see, their experience, or maybe from the media. American men are stereotyped as weak because they let themselves to be dominated by women. So American women are domineering. Women and gender discrimination. Gender discrimination or sexism refers to prejudice or discrimination based on gender. The objectification of women, such as in pornography, also constitutes a form of gender discrimination. Woman liberation. The term woman liberation refers to collecting opinions and development that seek to end discrimination against women. Equal right for women is the goal. The themes underlying the women's liberation movement are individualism, independence, and equality. Woman working and house husband. Difficult economic time has contributed to the increase in female participation in the labor force. Moreover, advanced technology also influences the role of women outside the house. A couple of decades ago, women spent many hours a day doing household chores. It made them less time for working outside or having work. With the invention of advanced life tools such as washing machine and microwave, women can save time doing their work. Besides household chores, they have time to go outside and do their things, meet friends, even become career women. Single parent. By the early 1970s, the American women's liberation movement caused significant social and legal change throughout the nation. Such impact are getting access to divorce, higher education, and getting a personal bank. Women liberation groups debate women's social role, the relationship between men and women, and even question the emphasis on women's role as mothers. According to US Census information, the number of families headed by a single parent has more than doubled in the past 20 years. Most of these women were once married, although an increasing number of American women are deliberately having children with no intention of having husband. Transnationally, single parents family found varying degrees of support from government agencies and existing organizations. In a cross-cultural comparison, single-parent groups from the US and the UK reflected the similarities the Western industrialized nation experience. Besides, both regions also having very distinct cultural differences. The organizing tactics of single parent in the UK led to a liberation movement and government acknowledgement of the needs of single parent families. In the US, however, single parents tend to form local organizations and were largely ignored by contemporary feminist organizations. Sexual revelation. In last 30 years, there has been a sexual revolution point of number of changes. People feel freer than they once did to talk about sex-related subjects, such as human sex organ, menstruation, and other things. More young people engage in premarital intercourse. Homosexuals, gay, and the lesbian have become much less reluctant than they used to be openly acknowledge their sexual orientation. In conclusion, fostering a respectful and equitable relationship between men and women is essential for a harmonious society. It requires open communication, empathy, and a willingness to challenge traditional gender roles and stereotypes. Mutual respect, active listening, and valuing each other's autonomy are crucial elements in building and maintaining healthy relationships. To respect each other, it is important to recognize and appreciate each other's perspective and experiences. It involves acknowledging personal boundaries, promoting open dialogue, and embracing empathy. By actively demonstrating respect and understanding, we can create a culture of mutual appreciation and support between men and women.
Audio Jungle.